The Ford Mustang Mach-E is an upcoming four-door electric crossover SUV produced by Ford. The vehicle was introduced on November 17, 2019, and is expected to go on sale in late 2020 as a 2021 model. Conventional door handles are absent on the Mustang Mach-E, and the vehicle instead feature buttons that pop open the doors and a small door handle protruding from the front doors. Owners can use their smartphones as a key as well as a keypad built into the B-pillar. The interior has a wide dashboard and built-in soundbar. The dash is equipped with a vertically mounted 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with a rotary dial fixed onto it. The majority of the car's systems are controlled through the screen, which uses Ford's recent Sync 4 operating system that can accept wireless updates. A 10.2-inch digital cluster for the driver is also featured, while the steering wheel retains a number of physical buttons. The model will be launched with 2 battery pack sizes and 3 power outputs. The entry-level rear-wheel drive version is offered with either a 75.7 kWh battery producing 255 horsepower or a 98.8 kWh extended battery producing 282 horsepower. Both battery packs has a claimed 0 to 62 miles per hour time of under 8 seconds and an EPA range of around 230 and 300 miles respectively. Top speed is estimated to be around 155 miles per hour and an estimated weight is around 5,300 pounds. This might be an extraordinary competitor for Tesla Model X, and it seems like most of the big vehicle companies are bringing more and more electric cars to the marketplace. But they should have chosen another name for their electric SUV. The Mustang has a totally different story. Thus, we should keep an eye on the Mustang Mach-E because it can provide quality and comfort for every customer.